Hey guys, this is part 3 of Jack's houses, and as you can see I have made three houses. This is only the 2 parts. There's another one way over there. I'll show you that one last though. So this is house 1. I would do the basement first. As you see, I have a doggy, hump hump hump, and I have 2 beds. I put some bookshelves, and I have a stove. My little potion maker, whatever the fuck that's called. I have my enchantment table, 2 blocks wide. 5. And I also have, one second. And as you can see, I have the chests. And I think I put diamond, no, that was in my other video, sorry. In this I have a couple stuff, and now, yeah, doggy, hump, I like to hump you, stay still doggy. Okay, and that is all for this part. Okay, sorry, that's my stepbrother Devin. Okay, now up here, what the shit? Okay, and this is the roof, and this is it so far. It's not this big fancy house like people spend hours and hours and days or whatever on, but it's just for beginners. Alright, now let's go to the other house. This is house 2, and where the fuck's the button? Disguise, bitches. Okay, now this is my bookshelf. It's sort of like the other one, technically exactly like the other one, except this time the thing is down further and right here. And where the fuck are the spells? Whatever. I'll fix that after. Okay, that is this house so far. I think I put diamond in this one. Nope. Fuck. That was in my other video. Okay, now back out. And now I will go show you my other house, which is way over here. Okay, here it is. Here it is. This is my house. No, just kidding. Right down here it is. Okay, I put some iron gates. I put some iron gates to protect my house. See, house 3. And I put this here. As you can see, there's Cheetah over there. And, sorry, just trying to distract my stepbrother Devin. Okay, and this is this so far. This is the one that I did diamond and stuff in. Okay, so I got a couple TNT, redstone, obsidian, buttons, iron doors, string, whatever. This one I have food, bone meal, stone, cauldrons and all that. This one I have diamond in. As you can see, I love diamond. And now I have diamond in this one too. And yeah, that's my house so far. 2 sides again. And there's supposed to be a map in there. What the hell? What is happening with my map? What the hell? Okay, stove. There was supposed to be this on the stove, but I decided to switch it up a bit and put that there. Pressure plate. Okay, I put some roses. Awesome roses. I was thinking of building a house up here, but I don't know. If you want me to build a house up here, leave a comment in the below. Or just click subscribe. I would really like for you to subscribe. Please subscribe if you love my house or if you like it. I don't care, but it's just my first houses. I've made way bigger. It's just, this is for beginners, so didn't want to make it too awesome. So, okay, leave a comment in the below or click subscribe, and that is all for today.